Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Bluetooth on-off button is missing in Windows 11. First method is, type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Bluetooth support service, change startup type to automatic, click start the service, click apply, click OK. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click Add Legacy Hardware. Select Network Adapters, click Next. Select Bluetooth adapter manufacturer name and model number. Third method is open any browser, type Intel Bluetooth driver in browser search bar. Click download. Click Start, Settings, click Bluetooth and Devices. Click Add Devices. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.